Hey everybody, it's Jared here at Big Pine Sports. You're looking at a 2024 Kawasaki KRX 1000. We just installed the RYCO Street Legal Kit on it, part number 4200A-4001. Now there are many different street legal kits available for the KRX and many available from RYCO. This one is about the headlight replacement kit. So with this kit, we are actually replacing the whole headlight assembly. How does it look? How does it work? How does it function? Just like a car. You've got the column mount here. Down will be left. You do have those indicator lights up on the dash letting you know that the turn signals are on. Best part about this kit, oh yeah, that looks super good. No additional holes to drill. Great visibility from the front and the sides. The RYCO Street Legal Kit also ties into the stock tail lights, illuminating all of those bright LEDs in the rear. The RYCO kit also comes with your license plate mount, as well as a light to illuminate the plate at night. The RYCO kit also has the four-way hazard function. Simply pull out on that red lever. All four corners are going to illuminate. Some states require the hazard function, others do not. And around the rear. Very nice. To release the four-way hazards, simply go up or down with the lever. Horn button integrated into the end of the lever as well. The RYCO kit is going to come with full color instructions and everything you need to get it installed. The RYCO kit, for those of you in Utah, will come with everything you need to be street legal here in the state of Utah, with the exception of two mirrors. You'll need one on each side of the driver. You can accomplish that with a left view, as you see here, a right view, or a left view and a rear view. Most people do all three. 435-427-3338. Give us a call, shoot us a text. We've got these kits in stock, ready to ship. Have a great day, everybody.